Right then folks, back again with another video today, and for this one we're going to be talking about this product here. It's the Adaptom battery charger for GoPro 10, GoPro 9. Comes with two replacement batteries as well, so with the battery that comes with your product and these two batteries, you're good to go all day, non-stop shooting, not a problem. Now, okay, so this one again is on eBay. It's just over £30 at £30.99. Link will be in the description. Again, I've put this back in the box just so you can show you what you get. I have been using this product and I can say that the batteries do last pretty much the same as a genuine GoPro battery. Anyway, so product wise, this again for me is a definite win. I try and bring you wins all the time. Anything that I buy and then I think garbage, I do just send back to Amazon. So simple. You don't like it, return, you're refunded, you get on with your life, you buy something else. Anyway, so yeah, so instead of you making the mistakes of buying crap, I try and get the stuff that I think I can give an honest review on and maybe save you a few pounds, dollars, euros in the process. Anyway, so this one is the Adaptom battery charger. Now, product wise, what do we get in the box? Simple packaging with this one. There we go. USB cable, USB-C on this one. Fast charging. What can I say? Now the product itself, you know what if you've got a GoPro, you know what the GoPro feels like. It's got the same sort of texture, so it's got a nice feel to it, to be fair. Right, okay, so can we see that? It's just a little cube with a socket at the back for your USB cable, and then we're good to go with the charging. Now it will do 3 batteries at once. Like I said, you get 2 with it. There they are in there. I will just show you one of them. It's got a little bit of a 10 branding on it, but like I said, it does work with the GoPro 9 as well. We'll just get that one out for you so you can see. Genuine one, and then the one that comes with the product. Like I said, the quality on these is rather good for the price. I mean, you're going to be paying £30, I think it is, for or just under, for a GoPro battery from GoPro, where you can get this product that charges 3 at once. There we go, let's just get them all in. You can get 3 batteries charged at once. It's a nice little case to keep them in through the day as well until you need them. And for just over £30, it's a definite win for me. Okay, so on the front we've got 3 little indicators there that are red when it's charging, and they all turn, well, they turn green one at a time when all your batteries are done. Just close the case, take that with you, and job's a good one. Honestly, yeah, it's a definite win. If you've got a GoPro Hero 9 or 10 and you're definitely thinking of getting some extra batteries for your product and you don't want to spend in the crazy amount that GoPro want, no offense GoPro, but yeah, the just pricing's a little bit out. Definite win for you. Let me just go. There is a little bit of a design difference at the top. I guess they can't do them exactly the same. There's the original. There's the but they do fit and they do run perfectly well. Now the ampage on these is, let me just check for you, is it's a 1720 milliamp large capacity, long lasting use. Like I said, I'm not getting any issues with the performance between the genuine ones and this third-party product I'm using here. So yeah, if you're looking again, like I said, for a battery solution and charging solution for your GoPro, it's a definite win. Comes with cable, 2 batteries, and an instruction manual which has disappeared once again, but it's not rocket science. Plug it in, charge, red lights, you're done. Yeah, so it says here on the, looking at the specs on the screen, it's 2.5 hours from flat to charge these back up to the full capacity. That's using a 2 amp high current power source. That's mainly from your computer or a phone charging brick, etc. Anything that's got a, you know, a high output over 2 amps, you're going to get these charged up, all 3 batteries, in less than 2.5 hours from flat. So yeah, there you go, another win for you today. Check it out in the description if you could do with one of these yourself. Don't forget, I try and be honest with my reviews on things I purchase. I don't get them sent to me, I buy them myself. If they're any good, I will keep them and then tell you guys about it as well. So if you find these helpful, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Peace.